Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you're doing good. Today in this video we are going to see the latest job updates from Odisha Power Transmission Corporation Limited. They are hiring for various posts like office assistant, recruitment, junior management trainee, junior maintenance trainee and many other posts. So let's see the detailed notifications for these recruitment. Odisha Power Transmission Corporation Limited for the post of Office Assistant Grade 3 Trainee. Vacancy positions for category UR 32 vacancy, SCBC 3 vacancy, SC 7 and ST 11 vacancy. Total 53 vacancy for Office Assistant Grade 3. Next is salary range 12,000 per month during the period of training, and on successful completion of training, candidates will be appointed as Office Assistant Grade 3 in regular establishment in the salary range 29,000 to 29,200 to 92,300 with initial basic pay of 29,200. Then selected candidates have to undergo training for a period of 1 year. The next is essential qualification required: bachelor's degree or equivalent examination from a recognized university or institute with minimum 60% marks. In case of SC/ST and PWBD, 50% mark is required. An additional requirement is must be able to read or write Odia and must have working knowledge in computer. Next, age. Candidates must not be under 21 years of age and must not be above 32 years as on 1st January 2023, and age relaxation is there for SC/ST and SCBC candidates. Age relaxed by 5 years, and for women candidates also 5 years, and for PWD candidates 10 years. Eligibility criteria is also given. He or she must be able to read, write, speak Odia fluently and pass 10th or examination with Odia as medium of examination. Passed in Odia as language subject in final examination of class 7 from a school or education institute. And selection procedure is also given based on computer based test and skill test. And these eligible candidates will be called for computer based tests comprising multiple choice questions from English 20%, computer application 15%, maths 15%, reason and mental ability 20%, and general awareness 10%, and audio comprehension 10%. Candidates shall score 1 mark for each correct answer, and there will be negative marking of 0.25 marks for each wrong answer, and skill test will carry a weightage of 20%. Then minimum qualifying mark for computer based test 50% for unreserved category and 40% for SC/ST and PWD candidates, and for skill test 60% is required. Then application fee details for unreserved and SCBC categories 1,062 is the application fee, and for others application fee is 950. First read the instructions carefully, only that you get the idea for how to apply for the post and how the application fee will paid. So application fee once paid shall not be refunded in any case, so do it carefully. So candidates take a printout of the online application for future reference. Examination centers are also given. Before applying for the post, read the general instructions also. How to apply for the post is also given here. Before filling up the online applications form, you have valid email ID and mobile number. Photograph file size is given and signature size is also given here. Then what all certificates required at the time of online registration. Then last date for online application submission is 28th February 2023. Next, for the post of Junior Management Trainee Electrical, total vacancy 70, out of that 45 for unreserved, 12 for SC categories and 13 for ST candidates. Then next is salary details 18,000 per month during the period of training. After that they will be placed in regular basis with a basic pay of 44,900 and the salary range 44,900 to 1,42,400. Training period for 1 year. The next is essential qualification required: diploma in electrical or electrical and electronics engineering with at least 60% marks from a recognized board or university. In case of SC/ST and PWD candidates, 50% marks is required. The next is age, that we already discussed in case of office assistant, between 21 to 32 years, and age relaxation is there, the same. The next one is selection process. Selection process involves computer-based test and personal interview. Eligible candidates will be called for computer-based tests comprising 200 numbers of multiple choice questions, out of which subject knowledge is 80%, then numerical and GK and reasoning 10%, English knowledge 10%, and this time duration is 3 hours. For candidates shall score 1 mark for each correct answer, and there will be negative marking of 0.25 for every wrong answer. Qualifying marks for computer-based test: 50% for unreserved and 40% for SC/ST. And for personal interview, there is no qualifying mark. Then next is application fee details. For unreserved category 1,180, and for SC/ST 590 is the application fee. Examination center is also given here. How to apply for the post is also given here, and what all documents required at the time of online registration is also given. And size of documents to be uploaded shall be between 50 KB to 1000 KB and should be in JPG or JPEG or PDF format. Then photograph size is also given, signature size is also given. So last date for online application submission is 28th February 2023. For any doubts, candidates are advised to visit the official website of OPTCL. Next is Junior Maintenance and Operator Trainee. Total vacancy 200. For unreserved 102 vacancy, SC/BC 24 vacancy, SC candidates 32 and ST candidate category 42 vacancy. Then next is salary range 10,000 per month at the time of training. Essential qualification is HSC pass from recognized board or equivalent, and ITI certificate in electrician trade from NCVT with minimum 60% marks for general and SC/BC candidates and 50% for SC/ST and PWD candidates. Workman permit from Electrical Licensing Board of Odisha is mandatory for workman to work in OPTCL. Age between 18 to 32 years. Age relaxation is same. Selection process based on computer-based test and skill test. Eligible candidates will be called for computer-based tests comprising 200 questions of multiple choice questions. Out of that, subject knowledge 80%, numerical or GK and reasoning 10%, and English knowledge 10%. And minimum qualifying marks 50% for unreserved and 40% for SC/ST and PWD candidates. Then application fee for unreserved and SC/BC category 1,062 fee. Then for SC/ST and PWD application fee is 590. Here's given what all certificates to be uploaded at the time of registration, and photograph size, signature size also given here. And the last date is 28th February 2023. And the online application link will provide in the description box for the above 3 posts. So you can, if you are eligible, you can apply before the last date. So this is all for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching.